You've probably seen these kinds of competitions on Instagram before. They're fun, engaging, and incredibly attractive. If thousands of people leave comments to participate, and the interaction on the page increases dramatically. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to run Instagram competitions and puzzles using CVP Chat.
First, you need to choose a puzzle. The one I've chosen is a visual comparison puzzle. These types of puzzles are very engaging and usually attract a large audience. Now let's prepare the Instagram post. From the Instagram menu, go to the Publish section, upload your image or video, write a good caption, and get the post ready. I'll save it as a draft for now, and then move to the New Task page. On the New Task page, the first step is choosing the trigger. Since competitions work only with comments, we set the trigger to Comment and select the next post we want to run the competition on. Once the trigger is selected, we go to the DM section, click on Configure Messages, and choose Competition. Now we can configure the competition. First, we choose a name for it. Then we define the type of competition. It can be multiple choice, or it can have one exact correct answer. If it's multiple choice, participants need to comment the number of the correct option. If it's an exact answer, they must comment the exact word or phrase. Here, we write the question and add the answer options. By ticking the box next to an option, we define the correct answer. In the next step, we can add conditions for participation. For example, we can require participants to tag one person in the comments in order to enter the competition. After that, we define how many winners will be selected and how they will be chosen, either by a random draw or by selecting the first correct answers. Next, we configure the direct messages that will be sent to participants after they leave a comment. By clicking on the question mark next to each message, you can see exactly when that message will be sent. Then we configure the replies under participants' comments. These replies are sent after the competition ends. Now we save the competition. We can also enable the option to automatically ask participants to follow the page, which helps us grow our audience. As soon as we publish the Instagram post, the task becomes active and the competition starts automatically. Finally, we can go to the Competitions page from the menu, where we can see all competitions, check their status, end a competition, select the winners, and view the winner details, while all messages are sent automatically by CVP Chat.
CVP Chat, your twin on Instagram.